Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with a haul, and I went to Ross and I went to Marshall's. It's just a really quick haul that I wanted to share with you guys. So yeah, anyway, thank you guys so much for all the love and support as always, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and hit that notification bell. But yeah, let's go ahead and get right into the video. Majority of things actually probably came from Marshall's, and they were on sale, so most of them were on sale. Anyway, the first thing that I have is this olive oil bottle. It was $2. It has like a cork top, and I thought this was really cool. I would probably use it. I'm not going to use it for oil. I don't think I'm going to use it for oil, but I thought it was I just loved the look of it, so that's why I picked it up, and it was only $2, so you can't go wrong with that. The next thing that I got is this mat, or it says it's dishwasher safe, and you can like put things on it to drain. This was not on sale. It was $9.99, and on the back here you see that they have like little drain pitchers with mugs on it. You can put it to rest hot pots and pans on, and that's probably what I'm going to use it for, to put it next to the stove, where I can just use it as a trivet and just have like my hot pots on, so I don't ruin my marble, because I think that I use that area a lot, and I just don't want to ruin the marble. So I picked this up just to try it out. Hopefully it works. I'll let you know. The next things that I got is this set here. And so far all of these are from Marshall's, so I haven't gotten anything from Ross yet, but it's only a few things. Anyway, I got this potted pots, and they're from Right Done, and I thought these were so cute. It was pink and with these black speckles on it, and it has a little tray on it. I'm probably going to use it to plant some herbs on it, herbs in it. And this was on sale for $10. So I've seen a few different sets, a few different colors, but this one was on sale, and I don't mind the pink. It's really cute. I'm probably going to use it outside. Yeah. The next thing that I have is also for outside. It's this little like lantern, glass lantern. I'm going to probably put some of those like twinkle lights in there. I know you can get them from like anywhere. Target Dollar Spot has them for $3, I think. And this was $5.50. Originally it was $6.99. It was a really good deal, I think, and I thought this was so cute for outside. I can even put like some of those citronella candle things in there, and just have it to ward away all the bugs, you know, all the mosquitoes and whatever wasps and whatever else is out there. And it has a little word, it has the word dream on it, but I thought that was so cute. I thought it was really cute. So yeah. The next thing is for the kitchen. It is this colander. I've been needing one of these. It really is like maybe this is not so small, but something around this size, but it had a handle, because I have a round one and it's bigger, it's a larger one, and it doesn't have a handle. And I thought this was really cute, just at least to have for like strawberries or fruits and stuff. I can just use one hand and just shake it off, and just use it for like vegetables and stuff like that. So yeah, just to wash them before I put them in the fridge, so when I go in the fridge I just take them out and eat them. So I like to wash the fruits and vegetables right before I put them in the fridge. Alright, the next things that I have is this teapot. I know in my previous haul I got the coffee one, and it was on sale also, and this one is a tea one, and this was on sale for $3. I thought it was really cool to have the matching set, the coffee and the tea. I don't drink coffee, but anyway, I have it like a vase. I have flowers in it, some artificial flowers, and I think I'm going to do the same thing with this one. So I have, the coffee one is larger, this one is like, I guess, a medium size, so I think I'm going to put them together. The other thing is this, I don't know what to call it, but it's like a catch-all little plate, and it says Dad on it. I know Father's Day is coming up, so I got this, and this was $7.99. Alright, the next few things I got are for the kitchen. You know that I've been talking about getting these wooden spoons. I picked these up. These were $3.99. They have little, it has little sayings on it. It says, keep calm and eat a cupcake, keep calm and butter on, keep calm and cook on. I thought that was so cute and adorable, and I'm just going to have these with the rest of the wooden utensils, and the color matches the rest of the utensils very, very nicely. As well as these bamboo sticks. These bamboo chopsticks. I've been looking for chopsticks for the longest. My kids love to use chopsticks whenever they eat their noodles. So I picked some up. I have some bowls that I got from Crate & Barrel that came with chopsticks, but I don't want them to use those chopsticks and lose them. So I got some extra ones so they don't have to take them out of the other ones that we have. So yeah, chopsticks. Alright, the next thing is the candle, which you guys already know that I love this DW Home vanilla candles. This was on sale for $6. Originally it's $7.99, so I saved $2. And of course this is my favorite scent because it's the vanilla. Can't go wrong with vanilla. It just smells like vanilla heaven. Anyway, yeah, you guys have probably seen this a bunch of times in mostly all of my hauls. So yeah, my favorite candle. Two things that I got are just these little bags. I thought these were really cute for traveling bags. You can put your garments in them, you can put makeup in them. I just thought they were so cute. This one has Girl Genius on it, and this was $3, and this one is $4, and it just has gold polka dots on it. I thought this was, you know, similar to like the Kate Spade look. I just thought it was so cute, and you know, when you're traveling, you can just put a bunch of stuff in these bags, especially when you're traveling with liquid and you don't want it to spill all over your stuff, especially when TSA opens up all your stuff. It's always a good idea to travel with some extra bags. Alright, the next thing I have is this little notebook here. It's a marble covered notebook. I love the marble color, as well as the rose gold on the top. I have the calendar, and I just wanted to get the notepad to match the calendar just because I'm a little OCD a little bit sometimes, but I just thought it was really cute, and it was only $2.99. Two things that I got are brushes, basically. This was $3.99. It's just a regular oval cushion brush, and this one is, it says it's a detangle wet or dry brush. You guys have heard me talk about the other wet brush that I have. I love, 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 love it. That's why I picked up another one. I actually picked up two, and the other one is in the bathroom right now because I just opened it. But I love these. I love to have them in stock, but I actually picked this up just to have in a traveling bag, so I don't have to like take the one and two and, you know, whatever. Just have one ready to travel when I'm ready to go. Alright, the next few things that I have are, it's just a couple pieces that I picked up at Ross. I'm redoing my laundry room. Basically, I'm just repainting and adding a couple shelves. I'm trying to vlog it, but we'll see how that goes. Anyway, yeah, I got these baskets to add on the shelves once I put them up. I got 3 of them, and these were very inexpensive. They were about $3.99 each, and I think that these are going to go really nicely into the laundry area where I put shelves on, and I'm just going to have a couple different baskets on the shelving, and just have like pods in them or anything that I need for the laundry room area, pins or whatever. I'm just going to have them in there. But yeah, we'll see how that goes. And the next thing that I have is this tights, jogging pants, sweatpants, gym pants, tights. This was $14.99. It's from Nicole Miller, and I thought it was really great quality. I know that Nicole Miller usually makes really good quality stuff, so I picked it up. And $14.99 is not really a bad price to get these exercise clothes. I know that they can be very, very expensive, especially like when you get into like name brands like Gymshark or Victoria's Secret Sport. They're just very expensive, so that was a really great find for me. And last but not least, I have my shovel. I picked up this shovel. It was $1.99 on sale, and I'm going to be doing some gardening. That's the reason why I got the little planters that I got, because I'm going to be doing some gardening. I'm going to redo all of my little plants and life, I call it life. that I have outside, and I needed one, so I picked it up. Well, anyway, that is all that I have for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please, please, please don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps me out a lot. I will see you guys in another video.